I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Today, let's look at Disney, Nike, and Apple. Cramer's a big bull on Mickey Mouse here. He likes this company. You know, they got a lot of different segments. There's more to them than Disneyland and Disney World, though it's a small world. It's probably something that'll run around in your head for hours. Anyway, sorry for the bad notes. Weekly chart here. This looks a little sloppy. I mean, it's really sloppy. Like, what the heck do you do with this? But if we look at the daily chart, actually, it provides more clarity. You can see what's been happening here. 50-day moving average. I talk about these a lot only because they're important. 50-day moving average is trending higher. That's a nice intermediate uptrend. The 200-day moving average is still trending lower. That would be more of a long-term downtrend. So we're still not out of the woods yet, but I like these higher lows. Disney right now is coiled to move above this resistance level here and continue to go. Also, it's not that far above support, which would be right about here at about 34.50. So it's what, a couple bucks above that? I think Disney's a good buy, like right here, right now. Now, Cramer thinks you need to own Nike ahead of the quarter. He went through a long list, like 10, of different reasons or different things that you should be able to check off before you buy a stock. Went through the whole list, and guess what? Nike gives you 10 for 10. So, weekly chart. Stock's just been trading around in a fairly tight trading range over the last several weeks, you know, a month or so, but it's still trending higher. This is not the kind of stock that you want to get cute with and try to trade it. Instead, it's one that I think you just want to own. It's coming off the 50-day moving average, just kind of like Disney was. I think this, once again, I don't need to belabor the point. I think this is a stock that you need to own. If it pulls back to the 50-day moving average, you want to add to the position that you're already in because you took the stock right here too. And last and certainly not least is Apple. Gene Munster was on Fast Money last night, and he's got a new price target here at 607. He expects a lot of new rollouts, which I would love to see. Not so much for the stock, though. That's fine. I'm happy to be long that too. But because I like all Apple's gadgets, so if they got more of them there, I'll use that Apple Store app on my phone. I can just go in and never even have to talk to anybody. I can buy it right there in the store on my own. And by the way, do you ever see anything like that at any other store? Try that app. And why are they doing that? I talked to a sales rep or a guy at the store, and he says, hey, learn to use it. You'll come back and buy more stuff. And that's what's happening because the store was really, really super crowded today. So Gene Munster, I think the guy, I don't know about the 600 price target. I'm sure he's got reasons for that. I just know this. The stock has been trading in this kind of tight, not tight, a wide trading range. Right now, it's about in the middle of that range. So, one risk down, one risk up. It's basically right in the middle. But if you look at the weekly chart, this really just gives us a better sense of what's happening. This is actually in kind of a prolonged volatility squeeze. I don't know that you have to be really eager to rush out and buy this stock right now when it's trading below 400. But I do kind of think you want to own it before they announce earnings because the stock is poised to move higher. If you haven't done it already, go do it now. Get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? It's a new service. It's an awesome service. Lots of good trading ideas. Some of the best are in my articles, Fitzbits. 5 charts in each article, 4 articles a week. What's that amount to? You do the math. It's about 80 charts a month. You've got to be able to find a good trade in there somewhere. So get over there and check that out. Also, go over to my website, that's stockmarketmentor.com. Sign up for my email list. It's totally free, and I will send you 1 video a day with a charting idea that's designed to do 2 things. First of all, teach you how to fish for yourself. Second of all, maybe toss a fish on your hook every once in a while. Okay, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you next time.